Hello everybody, welcome back one more time to Lion Bull Academy. Here Eric Munoz. So today I want to show you two instruments that can help you progress in your trading without risking too much of your account, because in Etoro you know that be in leverage is very risky in any kind of broker really. And if you have you want to use leverage x1 or x2, so don't leverage too much your position, you need to have a big amount of money in your account. Because if not, your risk gonna go really over the sky, over the clouds. I recommend you to concentrate in these two instruments. They can be traded automatically. When you trade them, really they are in x3 leverage without need to pay no one commission, and with the minimum amount for $50 per operation. So that's great. That's what we are looking really. So I'm talking about TQQQ and SSO. You for sure already listened these names if you look in my past videos many times. I always use them for trading. This year especially I recommend you that, because I gonna trade almost exclusively this kind of instruments, only these two, in as Lion Bull Academy, the portfolio that you can follow or copy if you want it. Very important, don't overtrade them. They are they are ETF made specially for trade them, but no like say they trade in open and close position in the same day, minute, seconds, hour. No, it's instrument. Yes, sometimes can happen. You can close them so faster because of the volatility of the market, but normally they are made for trade them like you open today, close in 2-3 days, in a week, in 2 weeks, even in a month. They are made especially for trade them, not for holding them for a long term. They are a short term trading instruments. They are really great especially for that. The most when it's high volatility in the market, they make big crashes, is the great opportunity to take one of them and buy them and hold it for a little bit. They will give you a really nice return if you catch in the right moment. If you don't try to catch the falling knife, just waiting the market stop, find a bottom and start going up, then it's a right moment to enter in this kind of market. I know it sounds very easy and it's more difficult to do it. Yes, I know that. So we're talking about first one, the TQQQ is an ETF who follow the Nasdaq 100 in leverage X3. It means one movement of the Nasdaq of X1, it means that he go up or down 1%, will represent a 3% movement in the TQQQ. So it's a great way to invest with leverage. It means your the value of your money of your account will have power of 3. That's great. You can have more buy power with less effort. The falling down market, if you try to catch it, just I recommend you to avoid that, to just have a right strategies for entering the market in the right moments, at least that one. The second instrument I want to talking about is the SSO, is the ETF who follow the movement of the SP 500 also in X3. 1% of movement of the SP 500 represent a 3% movement in the SSO, the Pro Share Ultra SP 500. So they are great, how I tell you, for trading. I really recommend you, if you want to start trade, to use them. First and all, starting demo, really in demo you don't lose nothing. The more difficult in trading is that you need to have experience. You need to start trade. You need to start learning how to do it. Now we have the chance that we have these accounts in demo, that you can start trade them like it's a real account in the real time without risking your own money. So I really recommend you to start at least 3, 4, 5, 6 months trading in demo, looking how it's going your account, and when you feel ready, then start in real. I know everybody want to make money now and faster. I understand. I am in the same situation of you for sure. I also don't have a job now. The most who are looking my videos, I'm sure they are in the same situation. No job, no really good income coming in now. A little bit with YouTube, yes, but not too much. a big debt to pay each month. So I really understand your feelings. I know that you really want to go and start trade stronger, but with $1,000 account, $2,000 account, $5,000 account, even $10,000 account, I don't recommend you to start immediately. I recommend you to start in demo. If you want still make work in your money, you can copy somebody or buy one ETF, or like example the SPI, the VOO ETF, that at the long term they will make you some money. So I recommend you to use that one, but don't start directly in real account. Really very important. So why I recommend you these two instruments. If you go now example in Etoro, and let's say we want to trade the euro dollar, and we click in trade, the minimum amount for one trade is $33, okay, but it's leverage x30. It means that the $33 have the $33 have the buy power of $1,000. That also give you is a weapon with also dangerous. Yes, it's a great weapon for make profit, but it's also a great weapon to make losses. So I recommend you to start at least trading in X2, X5, but for that example in X5, in X2, you need to have at least $500 for open one operation. What means that? Imagine you have an account of $1,000. You already risk half of your portfolio for just open one operation. That's too great the risk. If you go wrong 2 times, you lose your entire account. So what we can do for that one? One is trading X30. You have more opportunities, but the movement of the market, everything, even the tiny movement can blow out your operation. And the alternative, I find it, is this one. If we take example TQQQ and we want to trade him, we automatically are in leverage X3 and we can start trade by $50. So you can open one position, $50, and catch a movement. And you even don't need to worry really about the stop loss, can go even in zero if you want it. Till the stop loss don't hit zero, till TQQ don't hit zero, you don't lose your money. So that's a nice way to say, really, it's not, don't concentrate only that, because trading also without stop loss is not recommended. At least you know what are you doing. But here now you have a chance to open with very small amount, and if you go wrong, you can lose half of that money, let's say $25. You can lose only $50 if it go wrong, but you don't lose anymore the 33 in the other case. But you have now big movement of the market to trade on. You don't need to already rely in this very small movement that they are very dangerous. The noisy movement of the market are just dangerous. They are the most of the time random. It's not like a big movement in an hour chart, in 5-hour chart, in 4-hour chart, in a day chart, in a week chart. They are more easy to study, to learn, and to find patterns that can help us to achieve us profit. You can use strategies. You have here in the channel plenty of strategies you can learn for. You can look in all around my channel. You have a playlist only about strategies, the Bible of strategies. You can study from there. But I recommend you to first start with this one in demo. That's all what I have to say. So, if you understand me, I hope so, you understand me. You just need to start in demo with these two instruments. Just study them how much you can. Just start looking they moving, start learning the best hours they moving, the best days they moving, the best months they are moving, which months they are uptrend, which months they are downtrend, which news affect the movement of this market. You need to start study all this stuff in a demo. Start feel them like when moving in real market. That's why you have the demo. When you are ready, then only then you can start trade them. So I hope you understand these two instruments. I recommend you to right now start study them, and write me down in the comments what you're thinking about them. Maybe you have other instruments that also are working so good, that also can give us the possibility to have leverage without pay commission, because these are no commission, only you pay the spread and that's it. You can hold them forever without pay commission, only in buy, yeah? Sell always have commission. So thank you one more time. If you like this kind of content, the only stuff I asking you is just to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. So thank you one more time, and see you next time. Ciao.